Howdy, welcome to this episode of the Land Rover Electrical Fantastico Magnifico. In today's very short episode, I will just show you what I have done. I got a friend over and I could really use the help. We measured everything up and labeled every cable. So yeah, I got it all under control. So I will just show you that. Cables in the front to the park light indicator, high, low beam, both sides. And here is the horn. And this is quite fun. This is the power to the headlights, to the lights. And the label says Alt Power, which is not the feed for the headlights. This one is feed for the rest of the system, to the ignition and stuff like that. So these two are just going to the positive side of the battery. Here's to the brake switch, and yeah, to and away from the switch. This is for a day running light. I will not connect this yet. I will connect this when I run these two. Of course, I'm not going with the lights on the bumper more than absolutely necessary. I can't pass inspection with the lights this close together and this far from the outer end of the car. So yeah, that's Sweden. But we can build cars, no problems. To the fan. These are going inside the car as well. To the park light and to the backup light. And actually connected these to the starter key. So you can start the car with a key if those two red ones are connected to the battery. And inside the car we got 12 volt for the charger, cigarette lighter, what you want. We got instrument power, and we got tachometer, temp, radio. Yeah, everything you need. This is the fuel gauge, indicator. Yeah, so everything you need out here. So it's a bit less of a mess now. I know where everything is going, so and everything is labeled. So now it's just time to route everything where it should be. So the alternator, Chris, you are right. This alt exciter is to the charging, to the lamp inside the car. I will not use a lamp in the car, so I will just connect the alt exciter to this one, and B plus, the battery connector here, just to the battery, or the battery side of the starter solenoid. So I got a voltmeter inside the car, so I will just connect that one to the ignition, or ignition power somewhere. So yeah, much easier. Yeah, so this third and shortest episode yet of the wiring debacle system is over. Yeah, sorry. And if you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave it 2 thumbs down. See you on the next one. Bye.